In this video, I want to show you how to charge your DJI Mini 4K and the remote control that comes included with it. There is multiple ways on how you can do this, so let's get started. Out of the box, they only give you one USB Type-C cable, and while you can use that one to charge both of these. So you have USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Obviously, you need one of these charger that has one of these USB Type-C connector. You connect one end over here, the other end in your wall outlet. On the charger, you're gonna have the charging port down below. Simply have to connect it. And these lights will indicate that it's currently charging. On the DJI Mini 4K, first make sure that you have a battery inserted inside of the drone. All right. You close this door and the charging port is right over here. It's another USB Type-C, so you can do this as well. And if you turn the drone around, you're gonna notice these lights indicating you that it's currently charging. As you see, 1, 2, 3, these three lights are lighting up. It means it's not fully charged. When it will be fully charged, all of these lights will lit up. Anyway, so this is the most basic way to charge, but you can obviously do other ways, including if you have a portable battery charger, the one you use for your phone, okay, that has a USB port, you can connect the drone or the remote the same way instead of connecting them into a wall outlet. And if you're on the go and you don't have any other batteries, you will be able to charge them that way. You can also use the same exact cable and charger that you charge your iPhone or Android smartphone. It's USB Type-C. I mean, for the last, I think, 6 years, it has been USB Type-C. So just take it, plug it, and it will work. Take your iPhone. Most iPhones these days have a USB Type-C port. Connect it there. Connect the other end of this USB Type-C cable, again, in one of these device. Let me connect over here. And obviously you're going to get a message saying you cannot use this accessory, and this is not what we want. But the iPhone will now charge your remote or your drone. Obviously, this is something you would do as a last resort, but yeah, your iPhone can act as a battery bank, and my guess is most Android phones as well. Overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. Check my Amazon links down below if you want to get anything I talked about today. So a charger, a new cable, and yeah, other accessories for your Mini 4K. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.